fáilte hanas. Recreate an tanamatar hach trádstáris go mbíonn ealaíontóirí tríléir im lá clia le húsáid ealaíonta a bhaint as airí de gach sort a bhrontar ar náit, agus chuig róisíní chnéile ann lena hiileáil amach.
Tá mé seoinneomh in Recreate in Ballymount im lá clia. Is anna dé seo dag an múntóirí ealaíonna agus ealaíontóirí agus ceirdathe is seachuige chun ábhar a bhailú chun rudaí a crothú. Ha me chun leirtanis le dearó chanéile agus tá si chun míú dom chuna sa hosnig Recreate agus cá a tháinig an túrim chun an anna a bheith ann.
If you need a hand with anything, cut the paper or fabric or something like that.
Okay, thank you.
Right.
Hi Dara.
Hi Roisin.
How's it going?
How are you? Thanks for coming in.
So this is Recreate.
It is indeed.
Do you set it up yourself or tell me all about it?
I'd like to have thought if I did, but I didn't. It was Early Childhood Ireland, South Dublin County Partnership, Oakfield Trust and Tallaght Community Arts all came together and they saw that this concept is actually all around the world. It's called creative reuse.
Right.
And there was none in the south of Ireland. It's such a new concept. People don't know what this is. We're not a recycling centre. We're reuse. So we're better than recycling. In other words, we're directly reusing materials and we're diverting materials that would generally go to landfill. But the thing is that what we get here are unusual things and unique things that can't be found anywhere else. Like a giant cardboard, like 8 foot by 5 foot, that artists love, you know, fabric, unlimited fabric from Avoca. It's basically unwanted, excess, surplus materials or offcuts. So it's everything and anything, as long as it's clean.
An artist's dream.
An artist's dream. You said it
Very
right.
good.
Every time that phone rings, somebody could be going, I've got pallets of this stuff sitting in my warehouse, I'd like to get rid of it. I mean, Lily O'Brien's just called us the other day and they've got this incredible foil, pallets of it, and we're going to collect that next week. Why would you want to put materials into landfill or even send it to recycling in Germany or China or whatever it is, when you can actually give it to Recreate?
You have workshops as well, have you?
We have workshops. We did about 170 workshops in 2015 already. We do workshops from kids all the way up to 8-year-olds. Today it's Halloween, it's coming up to Halloween, so we've got a mad rush.
Yeah.
But everybody comes in. I mean, it's artists, it's schools, community groups, special needs groups, families, everybody and anybody comes in to Recreate.
And I reckon artists and teachers and whatever else would actually tell each other about this. Like today, like it's even really busy. Everybody's here rummaging around and collecting stuff. I can't wait to get stuck in myself.
Great. Well, will I give you a basket and you can tuck in?
Oh, I'd love to, yeah.
Fine.
Na dtír smuoineh ar cad dá úsáid fáin I rudí seo. Smálam an crotó so nach an roinnt cá hógant. Or dhéanach sé seo grúig úntach do popéidir sonam. Well, ha mé trééis seán a chuid rudaí chur seach sa ciseán, ha mé ag bailú rudaí cinnte ní lisa gom fós cad an úsáidir mission a rudaí seo a gcóir. Ach tá cuma únta churtha, agus is tócha gur dagan ealaíontóirí so agus chéan siad rudaí mar seo agus an son beidir go bhaidháin spráid agus é úsáid díreach láthreach, nó beidir go meach sé gutar de health agus go bhéchá air agus go cíá, well, dhéanach sé sin chuid a forgan a bhúntach nó gur féidir leit solas a bheith taobh stig de, nó go bhfuil úsáid éig in town fiúháin dá meá rulla amach cré, go dhéanach sé puncanna ar an cré go féidir leit é úsáid mar sin. So an stiff seo fáilte go minéis tá chun dul seachanéis go dtíon ceardlann agus roinnt rudaí a crothú leis.
So using the Delta Airlines again, I cut out the wings from the floor insulation.
Well, it's good to David Cossatáir dúán ala. Tá ocht. Na sé nú hop. Tá 8.
Tá sé go
Tá Beatrice ará go bhfuil 8 cos aige. Fan mé anna tainmh ar fad a bheith insa an recreation jobh. Bhí mé just fan mé fíor tainmh a bheith dul haimpel le féchantear an treileh ar fad atá le fáil sa tá réimse lehan ansa agus is cinnte go nathaíonn an na táirgaí a hagan isteach an tam ar fad, so is cinnte go dúcha mé ar neis agus go bhla mé stachan sa ríis agus go leir go mé stiff nua go háir ha mé déanamh ceardlan mé héin agus scapa mé an scéal faoin áit seo cinnte. So tá mé chun an leid seo thógann bhile an chalína hána stolam agus tá mé chunaí crocón síláil, Somála agus speisií gom a ggóirí hána.